Got it here, new mini chainsaw, perfect for pruning or cutting up pallets. Just a really nice tool. So this is a 20 volt max, 5 inches, 12 centimeters, Works. I have put to the test quite a few tools by Works, including chainsaws. Love it when they make new tools. So unboxing. First of all, I really love that guard for your hand in case you're cutting and like bump into something. A really big guard. What is this? Looks like it comes with a tool. Very nice. 2 flatheads. I guess it's everything we need to tackle this bar. Nice. And also on the top right here there's a protector. That's cool. Quick overview. What is this? Chain oil? No way. Oh, no. This is just to take it apart. So let's take it apart, see what it looks like. That's a long screw over here. There you go. Beautiful. So you can easily adjust it, sharpen it, put a new chain on it, whatever. You know all that good stuff. So self-tightening screw. So easy to open and so easy to take apart. This, no screws required. But right here is to make it much tighter. And to make it tighter, you just grab this screw and you can adjust to make it tighter. And that's kind of cool that it comes with the tool. Also, what else we got in the box? We got some bar and chain oil. That's cool. And nice. I was hoping it will come with charger. I do have a bunch of batteries from Works, from the other tools. But there you go. Let's see. It's totally dead. You can press it, you see it's dead. Usually what you want to do with new batteries is charge them for a couple hours before first time use. And then we're gonna do the testing. This is just the initial setup. So plug it in and the next video will be actually using it. Looks like there is a safety button. Press it and hold it. This bottom trigger or left-handed. Press this with the thumb and hold it, otherwise it won't work. You see it? So left-handed, right-handed, universal. Where do you put bar and chain oil? I don't see any containers that you can put the oil in. I think you literally just open this up and squirt some onto the bar. That's it. There is actual instructions. There's a tube and just put it right here. And just squeeze it a little bit right here. That's it. Oil it up. I'll just put a little bit extra. It will spill out whatever too much. Sometimes it's better to do it more. Okay, and just put this back on. Very simple. Okay, that's just an unboxing and setup. Love this miniature stuff right here. For pruning, cutting up pallets. Just so many uses for it. Look, this looks like motor inside the handle or something. So yeah, that's my unboxing. We're gonna plug in, give it a couple hours to charge this battery, and we'll do in a different video the test how it works. That's perfect. So this chainsaw is probably will be perfect for pruning. You see it? Nice. Nice and big pieces right here, cleared off from the road. The battery is still full. Let's see how it does on this really big tree. Wow, we can trim up some bigger chunks over here. Let's try it a couple more times. It struggled a little bit, but it recovered. Okay, this is just too much fun. Let's go. I mean, this is about 5 inches bar, and so that tree is about 4.5, maybe almost 5 inches, and it's working really well. Woo. You know what? It's overheats over here, so you gotta be wearing gloves. It's blowing some hot air. Wow. So you see, don't cover it up with your hands. I have big hands, and it was actually burning me. I'm like, what is happening over here? But yeah, really cool. Let's cut it in half, see how it does. Okay, probably gonna flip it over like this. That's it. It did it. Look how fast it's eating it. Stops a couple of times, but it is awesome. For example, we wanna ride scooters around here. Very easy to trim up the tree, so that way it's not gonna get us when we're driving four-wheelers around it, and still can keep going. So perfect for trimming trees. You see, like this one, or like this one is a really big branch. If I ride the four-wheeler, I might get it. So let's trim it up a little bit. Nice. Wow, that's good. Wow, it is hot. It's burning my hand though. Hopefully you don't have as big hands, but yeah, wear a glove. Let's say we need to break apart the pallets. Whoa. Not bad. Let me stand on it so that way it's not moving around. That is fast. Okay, first problem we run into, the chain got really loose. So what we're gonna do is grab this and make the chain tighter. So as easy as this, just put it in and adjust it.